Hey guys, so this is my tree fort that I built at the start of COVID, but I really haven't had time to work on it. So it's on some shared land between me and my neighbor. So he asked me if we could, since we're not going to finish it, take it down, which makes perfect sense. So here's me trying to take my tree fort down. So we'll see how this goes. Tree fort's down. I'm gonna take it apart on the ground and carry it out. It's not gonna be very interesting, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for coming along. That's all I got.